We're going to a pumpkin patch today. It is fall to me. Fall is going, oh, there's a lot of people. Is going to pumpkin farms and picking apples and smelling popcorn and caramel corn. Go away, people, away, go.
I'm so old because there's so many kids.
I'm enjoying my last days as a non-vegan. I'm gonna eat some donuts.
Oh wow.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Run.
A lot of pumpkins. Today we're making a bunch of sugar cookies and a vegan pumpkin pie. Here is all the butter. We ended up buying so much butter and I am the only one that bakes in this house. So thus, that means I have to use it, bake something, freeze it for the fam because I will not be around. I will be going off to college soon. Let's get started. We need Pinterest. All right, step one, go on Pinterest and find a good recipe. So I have a cookie gun. I will be using that to make these sugar cookies. And basically you can just freeze them, I think forever. They last a really long time in the freezer, so you can just freeze them. Let's see. What are they called? Sugar cookie gun recipe. And there it is. Ooh. Hello, okay. I'll just be putting like a picture here maybe, here or maybe here of the ingredients I'm using and all the measurements. I never really use the measurements that they give me on recipes. I always just do my own thing because I don't like following directions. Yeah, I just don't like following directions usually, so I like just putting my own twist into things. Gather all your ingredients, of course. Here we have Oh Reliable. We have the KitchenAid. That is a lot of butter. Yep, so this is, oh my gosh. This is all the butter I'm gonna use. I'm gonna be making so many cookies today. We're gonna freeze them and we're gonna have them probably in the freezer for a long time, probably till Christmas time. So if you, here's the butter. So, oh my gosh. If you ended up taking the butter out pretty late like I did, I only gave it like an hour to sit at room temperature, you can just cheat the system and throw it in the, oh my gosh. Okay, the good old microwave. Get that radiation. So, time to put these in the microwave for probably like 10 seconds because it doesn't take that long. You don't want it to be too liquidy or else, you know, bad things will happen. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna cheat the system. That's gonna be a bad idea. Yay! Yep. There it is. Oh yeah. I gotta take it out now. Maybe give it another 10 seconds. Open. Not yet. It would probably go faster if you didn't use as much butter. Okay. It worked. Yes, my students, this is how you trick the system. This is way too tall for me. Next step, we're gonna blend up the ingredients. Bird's eye view of the masterpiece about to unfold.
Bruh.
The butter. Hello, I relocated. Vanilla. 2, 4. Whoopsies, I was supposed to add brown sugar, not white sugar, but I'm just gonna add brown sugar to it. Haha, yeah. So this is the cookie gun I have. Ow. Oh yeah. Just fill it, this clear part, with the cookie dough, and then choose a stencil. So say I use this one. You would put it into this part, you unscrew it and then put it in, and then you basically pump out cookies. Pretty simple, pretty fun. We're gonna go with a pumpkin theme because it's almost Halloween, kinda. So I basically load it as much as I can. First one. Pretty good, pretty good. Hope it's not. Got Christmas themed. Got these. Let's go, let's do this. Okay, so now for the pumpkin pie. I actually already boiled the pumpkins. I like to use real pumpkins because that is the way it should be if it's homemade, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take that out and put it into another bowl, and then I'll show you how I make vegan pumpkin pie. And if you remember, I did make vegan pumpkin pie in my last video, so you can check that out. I'll be linking it at the top there if you want to see that. It's pretty, ooh, it's very soft. It's kind of just peeling off. So to make it easier, just find yourself a blender and put it in the blender. Oh look, I found a blender. We're gonna put it in there. Okay, so here is the pumpkin. I put it inside of this blender. Also, I don't have coconut milk. Well, canned coconut milk. I think that's the best. That's what I used last time, but we don't have any. Ugh. So I'm gonna try my best to improvise. Ooh. This ended up looking really good. It's not too liquidy. It's actually holding together pretty well. I just want to check to see if the edges are turning like a golden brown color. I can leave mine in for a little longer, maybe like 2 more minutes, and I'll check on it again. Back to the pumpkin pie filling. I'm actually gonna make the crust first because it has to refrigerate. So bear with me, we're gonna do that right now. Flour, salt, sugar. You see how dark it is outside now? I've been in here for hours. I just made the pie dough. I put it in the fridge to chill for a bit. I just took it out, speed up this process because it's taking me forever to multitask. I just blended the pie ingredients. This is the easiest way to do it.
Oh, that's pretty good.
I know. By the way, if you are trying to make these, I recommend actually following the recipe. He's back.
I'm back. I'm gonna get some lasagna.
Lasagna.
This is the way. Maybe I'll clean it tomorrow.
No, that's not the way.
It's not Minecraft.
Wait. Your nails are too long. Oh! Yeah. Don't mess with me.
Okay. Ooh, a little bit of fuzz.
Ooh, that is very cooked. I think it's splattered on the inside.
Oh no.
Boy, you better clean that up. The little stool.
Oh.
You okay?
I'm fine. Wait a minute, Mr. Postman. Hey.
Where do you think you're going? Enjoy your lasagna, Paul.
Thank you. Thank you for making it.
I didn't make it.
Oh, well, thank you for moral support. Moral support. Okay.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
I think this is the end of my video. My creations are finished! Creations. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully I can do some more of these videos. I love baking. Ooh.
Can't have a hat with no brim.
Brimstone. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.